What's up people, back to another vlog. This is not a vlog this time. The unboxing of new GoPro product, the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So I don't have the wrap this time. I'll be unboxing the video. Short and sweet. Let's start. I'll show you the contents before that. So yeah, this is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. These are the contents. The usual CE type USB cable. This is the buckle mount. This is the USB wire, and here comes the curve mount given by the GoPro. And this is the screw. I actually kept the battery inside the GoPro itself. They give the battery also. Let me show you the battery. So this is the battery which we get in the GoPro. This is one of the contents. No extra batteries are given because it's not a GoPro bundle. So you don't get a memory card with it. Let me turn it on. The battery goes like this. Let me turn it on. Yeah, this is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Let me set up. Language English. Okay. So these are the terms and conditions of the GoPro. Some legal stuff. No. So this is for the connection of the phone through the GoPro app. We'll do it later. Okay, let's get this set up. Date. What's today's date? 21. Yes. Time. PM. Done. So this is the interface of the new GoPro Hero 9 Black. So these are the contents which came in the box. These are the stickers. These are the instructions how to put the battery, how to put the SD card. This is the product related questions. That's all. The main update is that you have a screen in front of the GoPro. There's a screen given here so that you can check out many things. This is the major update for the GoPro 9, and you can actually change the settings of the GoPro front screen also. So you can screen off. You don't have nothing to see. You don't have anything to see. And status only. Number of photos, photo wide, etc., including the battery status. This is the actual screen with the front camera. So again, this is the full screen. This is the default one, so we'll be using this one for now. So yeah, this is how the GoPro 9 looks. So let me remove these wraps. So satisfying, isn't it? I have to order some screen guards for these. Yeah, now it looks damn good. The screen is absolutely great. I'll show you some features, some amazing features of the GoPro Hero 9. So let's go. They gave bigger battery with the bigger battery life. So another thing, coming to the old GoPro Hero 7 and 8, you get small batteries and less battery backup. Things aside. So the another feature given is that this is a detachable lens, which is not available for the GoPro 8. It's actually fixed. You can actually see that it's fixed. but in the 7 they did give. On the 7 the lens is detachable. With this you can actually keep a mod, the wide angle mod, which is available in the GoPro store. Max lens mod, it's called Max lens mod, which is around like between 6,000 to 8,000. It gives a max super view, the widest angle perspective yet. So more features, more stability, hyper smooth 3.0, 8x slow-mo, and there is a new feature called Hindsight. So he also gave a C port here, and here goes the micro SD card, and this is the battery. This is the power button, not the power button. What is this button? Recording. So this is the recording button on the top, mode button on the side, mode button and turn on turn off button. This is the foldable mounts given on the 9, given on the 8 also, but not given on the 7. So let us pop into the interface. More about the GoPro. Coming to the time lapse feature, improved time warp 3.0 and improved time lapse and improved night lapse also. Coming to the video, with the new GoPro introduced the new 5K resolution with the 20 megapixel, 5K resolution with the 20 megapixel with the 30 FPS of the video play. Next with the 4K 60 frames is the last, 2.7K 120 is the last, 1080 240 is the last. This is the common settings I use for my moto vlogging. 2.7K with the 60 FPS. I get good battery backup because I travel a lot. So this is the super view. So this is the super view. This is the wide, linear, level plus linear plus horizon leveling, and narrow. This is a new feature called horizon leveling, which is in the new GoPro 9. Coming to the photo feature, there's a live burst, and night photo. This is a super photo, HDR, standard, and raw. These are the 4 types of output you want to select in the GoPro. This is the wide, linear, and the narrow. That's all with the photo. Live burst, you have wide in the live burst. There's a timer also. With the live burst we have 8 megapixel. With the burst, and the only GoPro which has the 20 megapixel sensor for the video and photo. Compared to all GoPros, it has bigger screen. You can actually check out the screen size of the 8, screen size of the 7. This is the 7, this is the 8, this is the 9. You can just check it out, the screen differences with all GoPros. It's bigger. Coming to the audio features, he didn't give any 3.5mm jack output till now, even for the 8, even for the 7 also. He just gave us a C type, so you have to buy another accessory. So this is the new 3.5mm adapter for the GoPro 9. It costed me around 6,500. So just check it out. He gave a from the C, you get a C and the 3.5mm jack. You have to fix it like this. and you have to use the external mic like this. So it has the advanced video noise reduction also with the stereo audio. It has a raw audio capture format also, the WAV format. This is adapter which is sold separately from C to C and 3.5 mm jack. That's all. So that was unboxing of the new GoPro 9 Hero Black. See you again with the new unboxing video. That's it.